Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Classic Boy Emulator, only way. Start by installing the app from a trusted source, grant necessary permissions, and place ROMs in a dedicated folder. Open Classic Boy, scan your folder, and test one game to confirm compatibility. Use on-screen controls or connect a Bluetooth controller for better input. I will walk you through core settings, save states, and common troubleshooting tips in plain language. In this video, I will show how to use Classic Boy Emulator, only way. First, customize control layout and button size to match your fingers and screen. Next, pair a Bluetooth controller and map buttons for comfortable play. Explore performance toggles like frame skip, audio latency, and rendering backend to match your device speed. I will also explain save states versus regular saves and how to load them reliably for uninterrupted sessions. In this video, I will show how to use Classic Boy Emulator, only way. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth gave me clearer thinking about budgets and gear purchases, which helped me choose better controllers and storage for emulation. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Classic Boy Emulator, only way. Rely on save states for fast retries, but keep in-game saves for official compatibility. Create regular backups of save files to cloud or local folders to prevent accidental loss. Keep your ROM library organized by console and region to avoid confusion. I will also cover audio settings, performance tweaks, and simple fixes for common crashes or controller issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.